Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to accept friend requests on Roblox. Whether you are new to Roblox or just want to make sure you are not missing any friend requests, this guide will help you out. First of all, open up the Roblox application on your mobile device or your tablets, or you can also log in through your computer's browser. Now once you're inside the home page after logging into Roblox, go ahead and tap on Friends or the connection button at the top. Now, click on the human icon at the top right corner and you will come across this page from where you can search for contacts and send them friend requests, or you may also go ahead and scroll a bit down and look for the Connection Request tab. Here, you can also go ahead and accept some connections. Simply click on the human icon in order to accept the connections. If you want to reject the connection, you can simply tap on the cross icon, and that way you will be able to accept friend requests and the player will appear in your friend list. You can now join games together or chat. That's how you can easily accept friend requests on Roblox quickly and easily, whether you are using mobile device, tablets, or your PC. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.